All right, guys, time for another autographed baseball. So this is Series 2 from Hit Parade, and this is going to be box 6 out of 150. So there's one autographed baseball in here. You've got Mariano Rivera, Carlos Correa, I think, is in this. Mike Trout is in this. So let's see what we can get out of here. So we got Chris P with the Indians. Donald, what's up, man? You've got the Dodgers. Frank R with the Giants. George H with the Nationals. Gerald, you've got the Braves, Orioles, Cubs, White Sox, Astros, Mariners, Cardinals, and Rangers. John W with the Yankees, the Brewers, the A's, the Phillies, the Padres, and the Rays. Joe G with the Red Sox. Larry with the Rockies, Royals, and Twins. Lee with the Reds and Pirates. Marnie, you've got the Arizona Diamondbacks. Sean H with the Tigers and Mets. And then Stephen B with the Marlins and the Blue Jays. And then Angels went unsold. So if we pull a Mike Trout out of here, it's coming to the breaker. So all shrink wrapped up here. All right, saw the name on this. So Hollywood Collectibles, there is the C of A. Oh, we got a World Series. 2004 World Series ball. Come on, man. Goodness gracious. Alright, whatever. There it goes. So Hollywood Collectibles, and it is going to be Bronson Arroyo, the dreaded wonder. So since it is a 2004 World Series game ball, then that's going to change who gets it. Hang on just a second. So normally it's going to be length of service, which I think would be the Reds. So length of service is the Reds, but it's a 2004 World Series, which is the Red Sox. So that actually is going to go to the Red Sox, which is Joe G. It is. So that's where it doesn't go length of service like it normally would, just because there's a listing there for a specific year, a specific team. All right, so that'll do it for Hit Parade Autograph Baseball. Still looking for our first big hit in this one. So let's see if we can pull another nice name or a nice name next time.